Namaskar dosto. My name is AKS Rotarian Hemant Bhasin, a passionate Rotarian and a proud member and a past president of Rotary Club of Delhi South End in District 3011. I am the second generation Rotarian. My parents joined Rotary in Mumbai in late 70s after my father retired from the Defence Forces. Since over 50 years, I have been seeing Rotary clubs doing some excellent projects in various focus areas of Rotary and changing the lives and bringing happiness in the lives of not so privileged members of our society. Over the years, I realized that projects are being done. Lives have been changed, but there is no platform available where awareness is created for people who want to be part of this journey. So much so, even Rotarians themselves are not often aware of some excellent projects being done in our district, in our clubs, and even in our country or across the world. As a dedicated Rotarian, I spoke to a lot of friends in clubs, districts, and even in other parts of the country. And when I told them that I wish to start a podcast channel totally dedicated to Rotary and the good work being done by fellow Rotarians, I was given tremendous amount of encouragement. So, after speaking to a lot of people, I decided to launch this channel called True Rotarian. Ladies and gentlemen, a true Rotarian is a member of Rotary International whose actions and conducts are guided by Rotary principles, particularly the four-way test, and those who demonstrate the genuine commitment to service and ethical leadership. It is my proud privilege to welcome you all to the very first edition of True Rotarian or #True Rotarian, the podcast where we will talk about the heart and soul of Rotary. And honestly, जितने भी inspiring projects मैंने देखे हैं अलग-अलग Rotary clubs के through, I just knew one thing: इन कहानियों को लोगों तक पहुंचाना बहुत जरूरी है. This podcast is all about showcasing the real impact Rotary clubs are creating across the world and across India. हम बात करेंगे उन प्रोजेक्ट्स की जो रोटरी के 7 फोकस एरिया के अराउंड घूमते हैं. But don't worry, it's not going to be a boring presentation वाला शो. वो वैसा होने वाला नहीं है. We are going to keep it very light and personal and full of real-time stories. आप सुनेंगे रोटेरियंस की जुबानी, उनकी कहानियां और वो लोग जिनकी जिंदगी इन प्रोजेक्ट्स की वजह से बदलती है. We will celebrate service, ideas and real change makers, क्योंकि यही असली रोटेरियन या रोटरी की स्पिरिट है. That's why being a true Rotarian is all about हर एपिसोड की एक नई कहानी, एक नई लर्निंग लेकर आएगा. एक बात और, अगर आपके क्लब का कोई प्रोजेक्ट है जो इस दुनिया को जानना चाहिए, just reach out. We would love to feature you for our future shows. Thank you for joining me on this journey. ये बस शुरुआत है, just the beginning. Catch up in the next episode of #True Rotarian, जहां सर्विस एंड सीख मिलती है स्टोरी टेलिंग से. So friends, if you are also a true Rotarian or even just a curious about Rotary, just stay tuned, like and share and press the subscribe button. Thank you so much and Jai Hind.